Hi, I am here to help you understand what is going on in Connecticut regarding rental payments and evictions. Because of coronavirus, lots of people are struggling to make ends meet. So the state of Connecticut is trying to help by allowing people to postpone some rental payments. It is called Moratorium, which is a legal delay of an obligation. This is how it works. If you didn't pay your April rent, you had an automatic 60-day extension, so you did not have to pay April rent until June 1st. After June 1st, your landlord could charge you late fees, but not for April or May. If you could not pay your May's rent, you were required to write your landlord before May 9th to ask for a 60-day extension until July 1st. If you didn't ask your landlord for an extension, your rent was due as normal in May and you can be charged late fees. June and July rent needs to be paid as normal. Be aware that rent payments were not eliminated, just postponed. If your landlord has more than 1 month as a security deposit and you've become fully or partially unemployed, in most cases you can use the extra security deposit to pay rent. Your request needs to be in writing or in an email to the landlord. Remember, it is always best to communicate with your landlord instead of letting things go. Speak up for yourself. It doesn't hurt to ask. Your landlord may not be in the position to help you, but talking to them can't hurt. The governor has the authority to change these rules or extend these time frames. So check speakupteens.org regularly for updates. Now what about eviction? If I can't pay my rent, can my landlord evict me? Well, if you didn't pay rent for March, April, May, June, or July, your landlord can start eviction proceedings, but not until August 22nd. And if your landlord already had an eviction order against you, you can't be forced to leave until after August 22nd. But when the courts open back up, your landlord can start an eviction if you cause problems like harassment or fighting at the apartment, or if you owe rent from February or before. The eviction process usually takes 30 to 45 days. During that time, you could fight the eviction in court, work with your landlord to catch up on rent, or search for a new apartment. If an eviction is filed against you, it is really important that you respond to the court by the deadline in the eviction notice. If you don't respond, you will probably lose automatically, and any eviction on your history will make it very hard for you to obtain an apartment in the future. You may also be wondering, can the landlord lock me out of my apartment instead of evicting me through the court process? No, the landlord cannot change the locks, remove your door, move your belongings to the street, or anything like that. If that happens, you should call the police, a lawyer, or if you are a youth, call us at 860-570-5327 or 203-335-0719. You can also contact statewide legal services at slsct.org. I hope this helped answer your questions. Stay safe.